Good morning, everybody. Let's get this day started. Oh my gosh, it's cold out here. Let's do this. She thought I was taking a picture. Well, I almost forgot. Today's date is... I have a shadow stash. Okay, that was pretty corny. My daily addiction. I don't even know where to go. Let's come in here. I feel like I have to every day. Where do I go? Ooh, that was an awful angle. My bad. No joke. I'm a recovering lemonaholic. There's a such thing. I used to eat a bag of lemons a day. Okay, Snapchat. Not sure what you're trying to do here. Which one's the cheapest? Oh, I've been here long enough. I've got to get out of here. With my little hot rod. Picked up my main man, Obi. What's up? So, dude, did you have like an awesome day at school or what? Huh? Sons of mice. How about now? Did you have a good day at school?
Yeah.
Cool. What y'all do?
I don't know.
Seriously?
What?
You don't know?
I don't.
I'm assuming nap time. Hubby, wake up. It's almost time to get Sadie.
Wait, hold on.
Alright, redo. What was that?
What are you doing?
What was that? Fake awake. Oh! Scared me to death. I scared you, didn't I? I was too loud.
Advertising. Tic Tac.
Oh no, just Tic Tac, not Kit Kat.
No, Tic. Da 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 da.
Selfie, selfie, double selfie. Oh my bad, double Snapchat, huh? Hi, double Snapchat. Hey, hey, say. How time you look?
Hurry.
Hurry, what are you doing?
My hands hurting.
Why?
Stop!
Oh, did I give you secret away?
Yeah.
45.
Y'all ever wonder what South Carolina money looks like? This is what it looks like right here. Kind of looks like gum. I don't know.
Hubby gets a free shake just by walking up. Somebody made it by mistake. I think this is the coldest McDonald's I've ever been in. Freezing.
Is it here?
I don't know where you get your information, Snapchat, but it is not 71 degrees in here. I don't think you have enough room back there, do you?
A little bit more room.
You need to slide your seat up, Hubby.
Okay, I'll slide more.
That's it. Seriously?
Like I'm not gonna go flying through the
I
windshield.
think the airbag goes out, you're gone.
I don't know if the airbag.
Hubby, you went from one extreme to the other. You hurt your sister. Why do you do that? Who?
Look, he's over here.
Oh God, I thought that was Hard Rock.
Does it not?
He looks just like Hard Rock. It might be kin to him. This has been a long day.
I want to go home.
Ah, okay. Where'd Sadie go? Bye bye, Golden Arches. Oh, I just want to thank y'all and for watching today. Hope you had a wonderful day. Be yourself, be true, and be true to who you are, and frown less. This is Dude Uber, Dustin Hall. Also known as Dustin's Life on YouTube. And this got too many names. Thanks for watching, guys. Like, subscribe, comment, and share if you're on YouTube. If not, or whatever you're watching on, do whatever you do. But I'm Dude Uber. I'm signing off. Good night.